It's 4:30. I am feeling very hungry. What about you? Then come, let's prepare something and beat that hunger. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidya Dinesh. If you're counting calories for either weight loss or to maintain your weight, then definitely you should try these recipes. Today I'm showing you simple bale how to make it at home, one with lotus seed and the other with puffed rice. Okay, before we grab something unhealthy, let's go make it.
First, let's grind the chutney. We'll take 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, add it in the jar, and take 1/4 cup of pudina leaves or mint leaves, and 1 green chilli. If you want it more spicy, you can add 2 green chillies and 2 unseeded dates. And I've used 2 tablespoons of tamarind water. You can soak tamarind and use that water here. And let's grind it and keep this chutney aside. Now let's take a bowl, add 1/4 cup onion, finely chopped onion, and 1/4 cup finely chopped tomatoes, and 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1/4 cup grated beetroot. And I'm adding here 1/4 cup sprouts. So mixed sprouts, I've added moong dal, horse gram, and black channa, and 1/4 cup peanut. I've added masala peanut here. If you want, you can add just the plain roasted peanut. And I've added 1 tablespoon of the chutney which we grinded. Add a pinch of black salt and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and add salt as per your requirement. Just check your puffed rice if it is salted or unsalted, and use the salt accordingly. Now let's add 2 cups of puffed rice. I've added salted puffed rice here. Now let's mix it together. The ingredients what we have added here is all healthy, so you can have it without any guilt. The peanuts actually are a plant-based source of protein, so it's you can say for vegetarians it's an ideal protein intake, and it has various vitamins, minerals, and it is a good source of fiber as well as good fat. So it is also a very good part of weight loss, you can say. And I've used mixed sprouts here, right? So it is high in nutrients and antioxidants. It also has a lot of health benefits. It especially lowers the bad cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels, and also promotes weight loss. A kid knows that carrots are good for your eyes, but actually they are a weight loss friendly vegetable. It cleanses our liver, and it is a main integral part of a detoxing diet. Including carrot juice in your daily diet would be one of the most effective way to lose our belly fat. And I'm squeezing in little lemon juice here, around half a tablespoon. Also added beetroot, which is a good source of fiber, folate, potassium, manganese, iron, and vitamin C. Since it improves blood flow, they say that people with less hemoglobin should have beetroot. So, and I've added little of save and coriander leaves. I've added very little save. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can exclude that. It's just for crispiness. It doesn't add much of calories. So totally this bowl would be around 445 calories. I have mentioned all the nutrition value here. Taking around 1.25 cup, so which is around 210 to 220 calorie. So you can have it without any guilt. Wow, it looks so colorful. Let's make lotus seed bale. So let's take a kadai, add 2 cups of lotus seed, which is around 30 grams. So 1 cup is around 15 grams. Fry it nicely until it turns out to be crispy. So you can check it in between. If it is soft, you can fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So when the color changes, you can just check it again. It should break like this. Then it will be crispy. Now you can remove this. Now in the same kadai, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is a good source of energy as well as good fat, so you can have it without any guilt. 1 tablespoon of ghee per day is good enough. And add little turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt as per your taste. And add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of yellow mustard powder. If you have black mustard powder, that is also fine. And if you don't have mustard powder, that's okay. Fry the masala well, but see to that it doesn't get burned. Now add the lotus seed and fry it nicely until all the masala gets coated to the lotus seed. You can actually have this masala coated lotus seed alone. It tastes really good. Since it has a lot of nutrition value, it is said to be one of the healthiest foods for a mother to consume during pregnancy. It is actually extracted from the lotus flower. Lotus seed is well coated with the masala. Now we can transfer to a bowl. Add in 1/4 cup of onion, 1/4 cup of tomato, both finely chopped. And we can add in 1 tablespoon of green chutney, which we had done initially. Wow, it looks really colorful. Let's mix together. Mix all nicely until all the masala gets coated together. These lotus seeds have high amount of protein. It keeps one full for longer. It also helps prevent overeating. As it is low in calories, it makes an ideal weight loss snack. It has low amount of sodium and high amount of potassium. It helps decrease the blood pressure level among hypertension patients. In little coriander leaves and adding in little save. Not much of save, so it doesn't add much calories. You can have it without any guilt. And since it has a high calcium, it also plays a crucial role in strengthening the bones. And it is also gluten free, so people who are not having gluten in their diet can definitely add this to your diet. This whole bowl would be around 110 calorie. So I'm transferring to a small bowl which is around 50 to 60 calorie. So I've mentioned all the nutrition value here.
So friends, you saw we made 2 types of bale, one with lotus seed and the other with puffed rice. This comes up to almost 104 calories and the other was with around 210 to 220 calories. So you can have this without any guilt, and it's very tasty and healthy too. So, and I'm taking 1 cup of tea with water, no milk. So this is almost like 0 calories, not almost, it is 0 calories. So you can have this without any guilt. Okay, so friends, do try these recipes and let me know how did you find it. Please leave your feedback or comment in the comment section, and I would love to see that. So I'll meet you in the next video with more such interesting healthy food and exercises and more interesting topics. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy and eat healthy. Bye.
Yummy, yummy.